This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Eric Bdrm. Awesome 3-bedroom 2-bath home in PSJ nicest area. New silver-colored metal roof scheduled in 2 WKS. Open floor plan, with vaulted ceilings, wood-burning fireplace.Ear and kitchen includes pantry, miles of counter space, and loads of cabinets. Appliances are newer. Fridge 4 years, range 2 years, air conditioner 8 years. Master includes huge walk-in closet. The home was tiled throughout for easy upkeep. Outside, the large screed porch includes electric, cable connection and isenglass roll-down covers for rain protection and outdoors enjoyment. Previous above-ground pool area is ready for a new one with a leveled area slightly lowered for easy access. No neighbors in back of house allows privacy to enjoy. Lush shade trees and flower beds really make it a perfect location. For more information